Corpbiz.
Hello everyone, this is Yash Saxena and you are watching Corpbiz. In this video, we have brought you the one of the most profitable business ideas. Do you remember going to school, waiting for recess, waiting to eat everyone's lunch, one bite from everyone's tiffin? I was one of those guys and many of you still are. But do you know, after so long, how that food remained fresh and hot? Because it was wrapped in thin paper-like sheet of aluminium, which is we call the aluminium foil. And today, we are going to talk about how to set up the aluminium foil manufacturing business. In today's society, packaging has evolved as an essential component of brand marketing. Aluminium is a metallic element that is found all over the world. Aluminium was once used to produce vessels, tins, tubes and other similar items, but it is now utilized to make foil sheets and containers for packaging food and other items. The aluminium foil manufacturing business is seeing a steady GDP growth in recent years. Aluminium foil are produced by continuously casting and cold rolling aluminium sheets. They are prepared in a metal leaf. Aluminium foil sheets are rapidly used in the manufacturing of various kinds of containers as per packaging requirements. Consumer can heat or freeze food items in the foil containers directly. Global aluminium foil market size is valued to be $24.54 billion for the year 2021. The global aluminium foil packaging market is estimated to grow at a CAGR of 5.5% by 2030. You must have seen many people wrapping up their food in newspapers, but people are shifting from it to the aluminium foils because people are now getting aware of the benefits and this product is making a strong audience for itself. So let's discuss the benefits of aluminium foil. First is recycling and recovery. The use of aluminium can be proved as an environmentally safe solution for plastic, as aluminium is easily recycled and has no higher toxic danger to the environment. Overall, aluminium foil can be counted as an eco-friendly material. Formability and strength. Aluminium has a good strength under its characteristic. Aluminium foil is nothing else but aluminium only. Hence, they also carry good strength and formability under their characteristics. Heat performance of the product. An aluminium foil container can successfully preserve the temperature of the product to a great extent. They are quite common to use for keeping food items hot. Decorative characteristics. Aluminium foil can also be used as a decorative alternative due to them being easily molded into any shape as per the need. Safety and product security. Aluminium has higher strength than a few other materials. Hence, the strength provided by the aluminium foil is better than others. It also provides good security to the product and saves them from additional damages. Chemically neutral and non-toxic. Aluminium foil is void of any toxic chemicals in it that can be found naturally within it or can be introduced while the manufacturing process. However, aluminium foil is so safe that it can be used as a covering material for food products due to its non-toxic nature. I think we have made it very clear to you what is the product and why it is always going to be in demand. Now, we will be discussing the next important part of this business idea, the manufacturing. Aluminium foil is utilized in a variety of everyday tasks. It also has a specific plan for producing aluminium foil. There are two types of criteria for an aluminium foil manufacturing firm. The first section will cover the machinery needs followed by the raw materials. To start, you will be needing an aluminium foil rewinding machine. For this, the entrepreneur needs an area of 500 square feet and this machine costs almost 3 lakh rupees, and to run this machine, you need one skilled worker and one unskilled worker to pack the products. These were the details about the machinery, labor and area. But you will require a raw material too to manufacture this foil. Raw materials are jumbo roll of aluminium, boxes to pack and core. Core is the cardboard roll on which the aluminium foil is rolled. Jumbo roll can be purchased from market as the cost of these are just 250 rupees per kg excluding the GST. Then what you need to do is place that jumbo roll on the rewinding machine. Place the core at the place of it and start the machine. And in a few minutes, your aluminium foil rolls will be ready to be shipped after packaging. But before this, you will be needing a BIS certificate to prove that your product matches the Indian quality standards. To obtain the certificate, you would be needing a certain documents. These are documents that must be submitted by a manufacturer in order to obtain these certificate, that is BIS ISI for aluminium foil. First is the registration certificate of the company, receipt of the property tax, insurance policy of the company, agreement in case of rented property, phone and electricity bill, bank statement, Aadhaar card of the director, voter ID, driving license, test report, complete list of manufacturing machines, copy of calibration certificate of testing equipment, procedure to obtain BIS ISI. Next, we will be moving on to the procedure for applying. The process to obtain BIS ISI for aluminum foil is a product code has to be selected as per the directions of ISI. The manufacturer has to recognize the ISI standard code for the product. An application form must be filled out after choosing the relevant product code. All the required documents as mentioned above along with the required fees for the purpose of certification and assessment of the product and factory premises has to be submitted along with the application form. Assessment of the factory premise is done after submission of the application form. After you have submitted the form, the inspection team and the authorized person will visit your factory premise and assess the quality and standards. The product sample is also collected by the officer and is to be submitted to the BIS approved laboratory for the purpose of product testing. After submission of the product, the test is then conducted by the lab. The manufacturer has to collect the test report from the lab and has to submit it to the BIS. After receiving the test report, BIS will check all the requirements as per the Indian standards 15392 in case of aluminum foil. After the product is being found to comply with all the standards of the BIS, a BIS ISI is issued to the manufacturer. So this was all about the topic, and for more assistance related to various licenses required, you can contact our experts at the given numbers. And for more such content, keep watching Corpbiz. This is Yash Saxena signing off. Thank you.